Hello everyone, here in this video we are going to discuss how to install Apple Music on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. To install Apple Music on your Chromebook, first of all you have to update your Chromebook to the latest version of ChromeOS. For that, click on clock, Wi-Fi and battery icon. Click on this gear icon to open settings. Click on about ChromeOS and here click on check for updates. Once you have updated your ChromeOS, click on app launcher icon. Now here look for apps and games application. Simply open it, or else you can simply use the search to search the application. Now here on the search bar, simply search for Apple Music and select it from the search result. Here you will get the installation option. So if you want to install PWA version of Apple Music, click on install from web. And if you want to install Android version of Apple Music, then click on get from Google Play. Simply select the version you want to install. After that, you will get an installation window. Here click on install and wait for the installation process to complete. After that, close the window. Click on app launcher icon and here we get Apple Music application. To pin it to Chromebook shelf, right click on it, then click on pin to shelf. Now to use it, simply sign in with your Apple account. So that's for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.